Fischer Connectors presents itself in a new look. We are introducing our claims, expertise, reliability and innovation. We are presenting ourselves in a very open, clear booth.
So here we have a small setup where we have this power meter which measures both insertion losses and reflection losses. The whole line you see here is single mode APC connectors, so that means you have very low back reflection values. As you can see, you have 74.9 dB back reflection value, and in insertion loss we also very low with on this cable 0.06 dB. Let's do something a bit more tricky for the connector. Let's shake it a bit. So now here I'm going a bit faster. The connector gets a lot more shaken, and you can see the values. Insertion loss doesn't move at all. And just to show you that this is a real working line, if I unplug it, you got the values. The insertion loss, there is no more signal. If I plug it again, you get your 0.06 dB back. And one of the strong points of this product, it's also that it is IP67 unmated. IP67, what does it mean? It means that the connector, you can clean it easily. We have this little mate adapter that allows to remove the alignment sleeve and to have a very good cleaning of the ferrules. Then you can put it again back to place, and there you go. Normally your signal is recovered.
Fischer Connectors provide in the market this year a new kind of generation of miniaturized products in push-pull version. What does it mean, miniaturization? That means two things. First, yesterday you have this kind of product, 24 contacts in 20 millimeters diameter. Now we are providing such kind of connector with the same amount of contacts, 24 contacts in 12 millimeters diameter. So we increase the compactness by 3. There is another way to think about miniaturization. We have increased the number of contacts in the same volumes. Yesterday, if you want to transmit data, 21 or 20 contacts or 20 data transmission, you need 3 connectors like that and 1 connector like that for the power. Today, we have that solution, the Minimax. And the Minimax can do exactly the same, to transmit 20 data rate transmission in 20 contacts and 4 power. So this is the 2 ways to think miniaturization by Fischer.
So you've just learned about our new product line, fiber optics and Minimax, and you are more than welcome to get more information from our website. As well, you could contact us directly. Thank you very much.